What's up with all these recent UFO/UAP/drone sightings? Well, New Jersey Congressman Jeff Van Drew reported receiving information from very high sources that the recent drones are coming from an Iranian mothership off the coast that was launched in November 2024. He said, "We know it's not our own government or a hobbyist." Iran reportedly made a deal with China to purchase drones and associated technology. He said these drones should be shot down. NSC Coordinator John Kirby and Pentagon Deputy Secretary Sabrina Singh quickly refuted Jeff Van Drew's claims. The DHS and FBI also issued a statement claiming all these sightings are cases of mistaken identity. Yeah, right. In response, Jeff Van Drew doubled down and added to his claim, stating that these so-called drones were going into and coming out of the ocean. The Coast Guard has reported this. He said, "We're not being told the truth, and we're being treated like we're stupid." In reaction to Sabrina Singh essentially calling Jeff Van Drew a liar, he said he had highly placed whistleblowers with high security clearances who told him Iran does have a mothership, and it is not in Iran where it usually is at the port. So just what the hell is going on? Well, on her December 9th, 2024 episode of Star Nation News, contactee Elena Danan claimed she was told UFO sightings would increase.
Earth. Well, interesting, isn't it? What Thoron said. Interesting that now more and more ships are showing up in the skies. Orbs, metallic orbs, but also unmanned ships. All unmanned, all drones, because it's still dangerous, you know. The deep state can shoot at them. They cannot really take them down, but, you know, better be safe than sorry. The disclosure plan is going full beam ahead since the new American government is going to take place by 21st of January. And the whole rest of the world will change as a consequence, a positive consequence of this.
Additionally, a great source of information on the Galactic Federation of Light has been Kabamer Tejada, who shares messages telepathically received by his mother Judith from a Pleiadian soul family of 7D Tejada to prepare Earth for the shift. Once again, it should be noted that because Galactic Federation is using what look like ordinary drones, it will be easy for humans with bad intentions to put up their own drones to cause confusion. The fact remains there is no real danger, and simple trickery doesn't equal fake alien invasion. This is where our discernment comes in. We must see through the lies. Everything is a test. Real GF crafts are unaffected by anything humans do, and sightings will only increase. For years, we've seen many orbs, saucers, triangles, and cylinder crafts, and this will continue. Don't believe everything you see or read. Stay calm and analyze everything rationally before reacting negatively. They're moving slowly to prevent fear, yet some fear will be inevitable before the shift. Carry on. Message from Elder Akai. Friends of Earth, the perimeters of your very existence are full of life and activity unseen. The very creation of your soul is of the most sacred essence of being. React to truth with fear, and this will become your experience. Choose to know truth in light, and it will serve you well in all aspects of being. The closing moments of this chapter on Earth need not be full of disagreements and war. And yet it will be, as duality has always been the master of deceit. Become calm and know that we are with you in great numbers. Our frequency of light surpasses your comprehension in these moments. Our presence has increased as this was always the plan of action. Are you with us or against us? Choose light and find the greatest love of being within your own heart. In this truth, you will remember us as family and friends. The outer world of existence knows nothing of spirit. Your so-called news media sources rely simply on fabrication to ensure control of all narratives. Awaken, beloved ones, to the truth of your origin. The moment to stop listening to those that lie to you incessantly has come. We continue to monitor, send downloads, and assimilate intel to further assist and care for you through the perils that will unfold to the transition of life on Sheen. I am Elder IKI, Chief Commander Galactic Federation. Look at the reactions to unexplainable drones just flying around. Dangerous, deception, evil, distraction. What would the reactions be if giant motherships decloaked over cities worldwide? Wouldn't a fake alien invasion use actual flying saucers instead of blinking drones? Wouldn't there be some kind of attack? Wouldn't dark forces hide? And where would the light forces be? Think hard about these things. Everything is moving slowly to give you a chance to work this out on your own. There is no danger. There is no trick. This is really happening. Many who think they're awake are actually still very controlled by false ideas from entertainment, religion, and conspiracy theories. Reactions are being gauged to determine how quickly things will proceed. Sightings will increase until there's no denying what's happening. Then the shift will happen. UFOs aren't the distraction. Humans are already very distracted. Galactic Federation is here to wake you up. Sightings are increasing so much that we won't be able to keep up with IDs for all of them, but we'll still get updates from time to time. All legitimate current sightings are Galactic Federation, Pleiadian, Arcturian, Sirian, Andromedan. #NEIMH. This is a formation of crafts that comprise a fleet of 40. This group of friends are from the Andromeda Galaxy and serve as members of the Galactic Federation. Their crafts are somewhat magical in presentation, and they enjoy many shapes and designs. They have arranged the visual to seem as one large craft, but there are many that are stationary and enjoy being seen. The mothership is many miles upward and cloaked. This group is part of the many operatives that will be seen. Souls from Andromeda are friends from the beginning and join others in the lineage of Elohim. Point Roberts, Washington, December 7th, 2024. Galactic Federation, Elohim of Light, want to be known or I wouldn't be here. They want to be seen, as craft sightings prove. They don't want fear, which is why they allow you to believe you see drones, /balloons, /kites, etc. Trump wants full disclosure ASAP, and it will be biblical. Drone incursions, and the first thing that we would say is to relax and breathe. Nothing is happening in your world that is not bringing you closer to the shift. Many would say this is exactly what is desired, but the endless lies and disinformation cause fear in the minds of many. So, we ask you calmly to consider the ramifications of our motherships and fleets in mass numbers if they were seen now. This is why we cloak and yet allow our presence to be known and seen sporadically. There are many that thrive with fear and lies, and they tell you we are dangerous. We are light in a manner not understood on Earth. We are here, and what we allow is in the timing of all things unfolding. We want to be seen and known. But until the moment when Elder IKI gives the signal, we patiently wait with you. What is transpiring in the moment of now in the location over New Jersey is bewildering and profound to those observing. These are not crafts, as you have seen many times. The crafts are above and cloaked. There are 8 motherships above the location, and none of this can be detected in any manner by mankind. The crafts that are dispersed in great numbers will return to the motherships. Our technology is something that Earth has never seen in operation. These are cameras and devices that are transmitting information seen in real time on the motherships. Frequencies and images record reactions of those on Earth. There is no threat or deception. If more was seen, your news would say this was an invasion. You will never be told the truth. This is the reason that I am here now. Breathe deeply and stay present. This is not a competition, so all of you adding your opinions, know this is only your opinion with no true source. I am NEI-Wage, and I traverse galaxies with my father, Elder IKI. There is no greater source of information. Trust my brother, Cabimer, and you will have everything that we will share. The area above New Jersey seems to be the only location of our visitations lately. Know in truth that many locations are observing these objects. Humans enjoy finding a news flash and running with it as endless narratives are given. Haven't you heard enough lies? When is enough? The area of New Jersey is also a region where we are welcomed as meetings with President Trump are continual. Once the determination is made on what Earth resonates with collectively, these simple detectors and cameras will vanish as crafts are seen in greater numbers. The next phase of frequencies will be sent to assist with the portal of light. In those moments, nothing else will matter, for the end will indeed be the beginning.